Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a bounce in CapCut. So you're just going to select your video and you're just going to add in a keyframe at the beginning, another one here, and you're just going to zoom in to the video like so, and you can move it up a bit, and then you're just going to add in another keyframe and again zoom in, and I'm just going to move it down, and you're just going to add another keyframe here, and then I'm just going to select it and bring it up here, and then I'm going to add another one here. I'm just going to bring it to the right. Now between these keyframes you can just go to graphs, which is at the right, like the very right, and choose the bounce 1, bounce 2, or bounce 3. It is up to you which bounce you want to use. Oh, there's like 5 options you can choose, so just choose which one you want to add. I'm just going to add bounce 1 to this one, and then for this one I'm just going to add in bounce 2, and for this third one I'm going to choose bounce 3, and for the last one I'm going to choose bounce 1 again. And that is how you can add add bounces in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks below, like above the description box down below. That's what I meant. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.